Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, your word of the day is the voice of my heart. What are the lyrics? What is your heart trying to tell you? There's a message of being original. Do your thing. Don't worry about what the rest of the world's doing. Family, friend, foe, mentor, spiritual advisors. There's no reason to think or listen to anyone else but yourself, your own intellect. You came in this world an all-knowing, powerful being. We just have to remember the things that we happen to forget along the way. Don't forget yourself. Don't forget the things that you love to do, your own hobbies. Be able to create your own puzzle in your own world. Not saying you can't enjoy social functions, go out and enjoy other people's fun, but make sure you create your own fun, your own life, that you are happy. So in the times that you get overwhelmed in the world, you can come to your own life, your own world, and recover. I silence the fear in me and I discover the voice of my heart. You no longer fear to be yourself, to be one of one, to be original. A lot of people might say it's weird. A lot of people might say that it's different. But you are you, one of one, original. You'll leave that way. So leave your mark, leave your footprint, and live a thorough, legitimate life that is meant for you. Don't worry about impressing the masses. Impress yourself. The fruit of these words guides me. I trust the song of my soul, and my intuition leads me to the path of light and peace. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.